Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to rotate a picture on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rotate a picture or image on your WPS presentation. So I'm just going to add a new slide here. I'm just going to add an image picture here. After inserting the image, I just need to rotate this, and you will just have the option on the bottom section. Otherwise you will see an option called curves here. So here you can have a free rotation. So you can just resize it and make it on the center, and you can just rotate it by clicking on the curve, and you can see that angle. You can just make it on the 56 degree like this, or you can just click here and just hold the curve and just rotate it rightly like 90 degree, 180 degree, in which angle you just need it. You can just easily rotate it and you can just place it. So this is how you just rotate an image and place the image on your slide on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.